So today I want to do a haul video since we're all in this weird quarantine right now. I hate when I say This is my first order ever that I've gotten from Shop Miss A. I was like super excited because literally, if you haven't shopped on there before, every single thing is $1. It's really cool because everything that is over $1, whether it's like $1.50 or $1.80 or something like that, the rest of that money that goes over $1 is given to charity. So I guess I'll just stick my hand in the bag and see what I got first. So first off, I got this bar of soap. It is the Blemish Refining with Willow Bark Deep Cleansing Soap. It says it gently removes dirt and excess oil without drying out the skin. Cleansing bar for acne prone skin, which is really nice. I might try it eventually for actually cleansing my skin, but I actually got this because I really want to try soap brows, and it was just $1. So I was like, instead of picking it up while I'm, you know, at the grocery store or at Target, might as well just pick it up now since I'm putting in this order. Basically what you do for soap brows is you're going to go ahead and wet your spoolie and then grab the soap and then just kind of rub your spoolie in the soap, I think, and then just run it through your brows kind of as you would brow gel or anything like that. And I've heard that it like really fluffs out the brows and holds them into place, so I'm super excited for that. Once I try it out, if I like it, then I'll do a tutorial on it, even though there's already, I'm sure, many tutorials online. Why not? Might as well. Oh, next I got their Lash Glue, and I really liked that it was latex free and that it's a brush on. I hope that it's really similar to the Duo, what is this, the Duo brush on, this one here, the green one, because I absolutely love this glue. I've loved it for years. It's my like ride or die lash glue. It's never bothered my eyes. I've never had a problem when I need to reapply, if my lash, you know, a corner starts lifting or anything like that. So I absolutely love it. I'm really excited to see if this is comparable or if it's not good at all. We'll see. This is one of those, if you can read, it says Paw Paw, that goes towards, oh, it says part of the proceeds will go towards protecting animals against abuse. Or it was $1.55, which is like nothing compared to like the Real Technique. I usually use their sponges, and those are, what, like $6 or $7 a piece, something like that. And it feels really squishy and really fluffy. I should open it now and try it out. Ow. Don't use your teeth to open things, kids. Yeah, it feels really nice, really squishy. I was reading, oh, it kind of feels rubbery. And it's very similar to the size of the Real Technique sponge. And this is wet, this isn't dry. So I'm excited to see how big this gets when it's wet. And see how squishy it is? Like, it's as bouncy as this, and it's dry. So I'm super excited. I think I'm gonna love this. I'm gonna throw my trash. I don't have a trash can around me. Next, I got lashes. So if you know me, you know I'm a freaking lash whore. So first I got their premium lashes, natural and luxurious, these guys here, and it's the same type of deal as far as the animal cruelty. A majority of that proceed goes to that as well, to that charity. And I thought that they were beautiful. You know what they kind of remind me of? The Starlit lashes from House of Lashes. I loved those back in the day. Those and Iconics were like my everything. One of their most popular lashes that I heard a lot of people talking about was the Alexis lash. I got 2 pairs of these ones in black. I don't know if they have any other shades, but that would be really cool if they did. So the 100% natural hair, but they are cruelty free, so I don't know what hair they are naturally from. Maybe they're human hair, I don't know. Okay, next I got brushes. I just stuck with the little detail brushes for now. There were a few other brushes that I really wanted, but a lot of their things on their site was sold out. I don't know if I just caught them in a weird time with all of this going on, or if they're normally like stocked up pretty good, but I really wanted some bigger eye brushes and some face brushes, and those were sold out. I also really wanted to try their concealer because I've been needing a concealer and I just haven't bought one, and so I've been wanting to try that, but they were also sold out of that as well. So I got a little flat definer brush like this guy here. It feels really soft and nice, and again, that was only $1, and this is the E115 brush. Next, I got this little pencil brush. I don't know what happened to all of my freaking eye brushes. For some reason, in between like all of my moves, it seems like I was moving once every year there for like a few years, but I've lost all of my little like detailer brushes. And I just recently found my E36 brush from Morphe. It's a little fat pencil brush, but this one here is not as round. It's more tapered, if you can see, and it's a little bit smaller, especially at the tip of it there. It feels really dense though, so it feels really nice to kind of smoke out. I'm sure it would be really good. It would hold a lot of pigment to it. And this is the E24 brush. Again, another little detail brush. I thought this would be really great when I'm doing, again, like eyeshadow, like if I'm using shadow for liner, or if I wanted to do faux freckles, or if I even wanted to use this as far as like face paint. This is how fine this little guy is here. It's extremely thin. I wonder if this would also be really nice if you were using like a brow pomade to do like little tiny hair strokes, you know what I mean? I don't know if I've ever seen anyone use something this fine. Oh, I got their gel liner. I'm really excited to try this. They had a lot of different colors. Some of them again were sold out. Some colors that I wanted to try, but they did have the black, which we all know is most important. The Buttercream gel liner and shadow in Licorice. It's really extremely tiny though. Do you guys see how small that is? I know it looks big in my hand, but I have very small hands. But it's really small. Let me compare it to my Maybelline. Let me compare it to my Maybelline gel liner. See how teeny tiny that is, and look at how petite it is. I want to peel off the little, I don't have nails, so it's hard. Oh, I got it. I don't know if you guys will even be able to see that on camera, but it's like a little crack down there, so we'll see. I mean, hey, when you're buying makeup for literally $1, you cannot expect things to be like perfect, you know? Next, oh, this is not makeup, but I got really excited when I saw this. I am obsessed with bubble baths and just baths in general. I love just soaking in them. Just makes me feel like I'm getting a nice warm hug all over my body. This is the Coconut Milk Lavender Bubble Bar right here. I don't know if that's the bar that I'm smelling or if it's my house, but it smells clean. But I did get these earrings I'm wearing. I couldn't wait to open these up because I thought they were so cute. It is the little, I don't know if you can see that from there. They're little tiny butterflies. They're just like thin gold hoops. Tangled though, because I had them thrown in this freaking bag for so long. Okay, took me a little while to film this video, guys. I got this package probably about 4 days ago, but I've just been so busy. I've been so busy in quarantine napping. It was just like a little trio of some really cute, simple earrings. There's some leaves. These remind me of SpongeBob. Is that just me? Anyone else? SpongeBob vibes? I don't know. Now, next thing in the bag is, oh, I'm super excited about this. I was super curious to try this for my brows, but then I was like, let me read the reviews because I'm a huge review reader. I don't know, that sounded weird in my head. I love reading reviews. I am so trusting in what some people say on the reviews. So a lot of people are saying they didn't like this for the brows, but they liked it for faux freckles. This is the applicator here. I can see what they mean as far as like powder wise because it looks extremely matte. Let's see if I can do like a demonstration of like a few dots. Okay, and then when I pat it out, it like lightens up. I don't know if you're able to see that, but I feel like these can look very natural for freckles. All right, that is it for my little haul. Right? Hello? Yeah. Thank you so much for watching this video and hanging out with me today during this weird quarantine time. Please just stay healthy, stay safe, stay happy, stay the wonderful little souls that you are on this Mother Earth. If you do try anything from Shop Miss A, let me know. I would love to know what you got. I would love to know what you would recommend. I seriously need to end this video because my camera has overheated about 4 times and I need to stop flapping my gums. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.